What Drupal 9 will bring to you as a product? Let's take a look at the core strategies. Reducing cost and effort. CMS maintenance is major pain point so far in all the previous version of Drupal. So Drupal 9 focuses on reducing the maintenance cost and effort with initiatives such as automated update, configuration management 2.0. Priority user experience. Unlike other leading CMS like WordPress, Adobe, older Drupal versions lacks in user experience. Most of the people have relatively poor initial impression of Drupal. So the new Drupal theme Olivero will give you a new user experience and much better first impression of Drupal. Drive the open web. By 2025, 4 billion new people will join the internet, and we want all the people to have access to open web. And the result should be focused on accessibility, inclusiveness, security and privacy. API first workflow composer in core. Such initiative will make Drupal 9 the best structured data engine. What's new in Drupal 9? Symfony 4 and PHP 7.3 will add improved stability and security. Twig 2.0 will provide the faster and flexible template engine. CK Editor 4 will remain as a part of Drupal 9, and most of the third-party dependencies will be cut down from a Drupal. Now let's see why the upgrade is necessary. Why don't we improve all the things in Drupal itself? PHP, Symfony, Twig has their own schedule and support policies. So we need to sync up their release schedules to keep Drupal supported itself. With Symfony 3 end of life in December 2021, there will be no more security update. So we have only 18 months to upgrade our Drupal project from older Drupal version to Drupal 9. What will be the future of Drupal 9? Drupal 9 will have improved user experience and strategies with the help of admin UI and JavaScript initiative, as well as the new frontend initiative Olivero. CMI2 automatic updates will reduce the maintenance cost and efforts, and many more. Let's begin with the magical journey of Drupal 9 upgrade. We have to follow 4 simple steps. Step 1. Install upgrade status contributed module. Step 2. Upgrade all your contributed and modules and themes. Third step, upgrade all your custom modules and themes. And the final step, to upgrade Drupal core version. Let's begin with the first step, to install Drupal upgrade status module. Now we have enabled upgrade status module, so let's check the Drupal 9 readiness status of all our contributed and custom modules. This report in Drupal admin interface shows us the list of all the compatible modules and incompatible modules. Even this shows us a report of system requirements. PHP version greater than 7.3 is required. MySQL minimum version is required 5.7 and Drush minimum version is 10. Module marks in a green shows that they are already compatible with Drupal 9 without any error. Modules which are marked in orange and which have a Drupal 9 compatible message only need a module update to become a Drupal 9 compatible. Module with no Drupal 9 compatible message are either have a minor or a major Drupal 9 compatible issues. In that case, we have to identify the issue queue and look for Drupal 9 readiness patch available for a respective module. Next step is to update the custom modules and make it compatible with Drupal 9. First, identify the issues mentioned in a respective module and fix those deprecation in a custom module. Now we will upgrade our contributed modules to make it compatible. So we will execute Drupal composer update. Now begin with our final step. This step is to update the Drupal core version to Drupal 9 for the project, which is set up using Drupal Compose Drupal project template. This template doesn't have any direct upgrade path to Drupal 9, so we have to upgrade our project template to Drupal recommended or Drupal legacy project first. So as we have our project set up using the legacy template, so let's first update our project template. The first step is to remove the Drupal core dependency. Second step is to remove the Drupal composer Drupal scaffold dependencies and with all its dependent packages. Third step is to add the new installer composer package. Fourth step is to add the composer recommended package. And the final step is to add the composer core scaffold package. So our step 0 is to remove the Drupal core and Drupal scaffold from the old project template. Then next step is to add the new packages. Let's begin with the step 0. Now we have removed the Drupal core and Drupal scaffold dependency from the project template. Next step is to add the new installer package and the new core recommended packages to our project template. Now we will run the Drupal composer update. So that all the packages will get updated. Clear your cache and visit the website. Hooray! We are on Drupal 9 now. This is one of the easiest Drupal upgrade ever. Thank you to entire Drupal community. So overall, in our migration journey, we migrated 59 contributed modules, 6 custom modules in just 30 to 40 hours of efforts. We can definitely say that Drupal 9 upgrade is one of the easiest upgrade in a Drupal. It is 400% simpler than Drupal 7 to Drupal 8 migration.